We just launched our new trucker hats in Zoomies, and I'm fired up right now. And I'm just getting ready because I'm about to go live as well. Check this out. I go live all the time on whatnot, here and there. But I'm really hyped on our new hats that we just dropped in Zoomies. We're about to do a photo shoot for this matching set that we printed. You guys could check out the video for that. We're about to do a photo shoot for that. We also have a photo shoot for another design that we're working on. We're also doing a photo shoot for this one right here. This one's really, really dope. Love how this crop turned out. Check out the skull. Hand-drawn designs. Always hand-drawn designs. Hand silkscreen printed. You could check out the video of us printing this. I showed the process. Check this. WHADAFUNK. There's a kind of a story behind this lettering right here. You go back and watch. There's a little story behind the lettering on that one. Only the real heads know. If you've been tuned in, then you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm about to go live. Oh yeah, and I just filmed a video as well talking about these right here. Got a really dope video coming out telling you guys more about this collab. First collab of the summer. Really dope collab. I'm gonna show you guys the live setup, but first check out my hat once again. Check out these rhinestones. Alright, so this is the live setup that we got going on. I use these two lights right here. I got this light, and then I have another light right here. I have the two lights right there. And this is the tripod setup. Check out the tripod setup with the phone, tripod mount. This is really a good tripod. Charging right here, you know. And then I'm gonna shut these big lights off, and then I have another light right here because all these lights are like the same color tone, and I want people to really get the full, you know, full actual view of what the clothes look like. So you're probably like, why are you painting a skateboard right now? Well, I don't know either. I just randomly found this skateboard that was sitting while I was getting all the shipment ready, the orders from Whatnot. Shout out to everyone who orders on there. Thank you guys so much. I love all the new WHADAFUNK crew and everybody who's joining up. I appreciate you guys. But yeah, I found this deck while I was looking for inventory. And I was like, you know what? I've been wanting to paint something in a while. So I was like, let me paint this. Maybe I'll make like a one-on-one piece of art to sell. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe to keep. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I don't know what's happening. Just making stuff. I like making stuff. WHADAFUNK magazine. You know, it also doubles as a poster. If you didn't know that, it also doubles as a poster. And this is the poster side. This is the part that's going to be a poster. This is the other side where the pages are, and it unfolds into a poster. Come out with one every single month. This is the month for July. Really, really dope. I'm not going to show you what's inside. You got to actually join the crew if you want to see what's inside this magazine. Yeah, this is right here is June's. And if you join up for July, I'm going to include June's with it because the story kind of goes together and it kind of meshes together. So I'm going to include June with July. If you order July, you're going to get June too. I want to hook you guys up. Back at the studio, you know you got to start off with a coffee. Always start off with a coffee. Or you need to start in the middle with a coffee. Just get a coffee. And don't mind the cracked cup. A ghost came and cracked it. The July zine is all finished up. Sent it to A&T to get folded. You know, because that's part of zine making. You gotta, and if you don't know what a zine is, it's a magazine. It just is short for magazine because it's smaller. Zines are usually smaller than magazines and contain, they could be bigger, but they're usually smaller and they're usually DIY. So it's just a magazine. That's all it is. Zine is magazine. And shout out to my guy right here. Still didn't set him up. I don't know why. Still didn't paint anything on this. I don't know. When it comes to me, it'll come to me. But I'm thinking maybe some flowers or just like all skulls. I don't know. We'll see.
over that lady. I fell down the stairs, and the lady was coming around the corner. And she was like, ah! And we both got scared.
I thought she thought you were like gonna rob her or something.
No, it was funny. I had to like tell her I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Shout out to Jesus.
Also, I just got the WHADAFUNK crew stickers in. So if you guys don't know, we do a WHADAFUNK monthly crew where you get a magazine and a sticker in the mail every month. And last month was this sticker, WHADAFUNK, not a cult. And this month, since the matching set is dropping, I want to do an exclusive sticker that kind of matched it. Really, really dope. Check this out. I'm hyped on this. So this is what's coming out this week. The WHADAFUNK magazine and the WHADAFUNK crew sticker. Yeah, I did a matte finish on these because I wanted to like a matte look to them. Been doing a lot of glossy and matte, playing around different designs, but right now I'm gonna do a couple photo shoots of this. Also do some photo shoots of the magazine, get the website ready, get everything all finished up for that. Shout out to everyone who's in the WHADAFUNK crew. Appreciate you guys. Little cell phone tripod. I have a couple different ones. The ones that I have this little screw on the bottom. I don't know if they all have these, but I know some of them have them. But I have different mounts. I have the cell phone mount, and then I have the camera mount. And so I could have each one, and I could switch back and forth whenever I need. Got the setup all here. Check it out. Take some photos. I actually started working on this skateboard, painted it white. You guys seen that? And this started out a little sketch. So I think this is what we're gonna do on this one. I'm gonna do a skull facing one way, some flames, a flower in the middle, WHADAFUNK in the middle, some leaves all around, and then another skull facing the other way. I'm not sure what colors I want to do yet, but definitely want to make something that pops. And I'm thinking about doing this as a giveaway actually, so let's see what goes on with that. I'll show you guys the process painting it. I don't have the paints yet, or I might. I gotta look. But this is the so far sketch of this. And this wasn't actually gonna show you guys this, but this is for the WHADAFUNK crew, people who are platinum members. That means, you know, you get something exclusive every season. So one in the winter, one in the summer. I'm gonna actually do these for our crew members. We're gonna put the WHADAFUNK crew logo in here. It's gonna be the only way you could get it is if you are a platinum crew member. I want to make something really special, really dope, and something that, you know, you could keep forever. So this is what we're gonna make. This is just an add-on. Just wait till we actually show you what we're gonna make for the crew. This is just an add-on. Like I said, this is, you know, I just want to hook people up. People have been supporting WHADAFUNK, and the crew members are the real WHADAFUNK heads who know what's going on, and I'm hyped for that, you know. So thank you to the crew, and we're gonna laser engrave those. I think, is that what's called, laser engrave? I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna make stuff. So this is what it looks like so far. You know, just messing around with different lettering. The Funkin' Barbecue 2026. Gonna erase the lines and do little details. See what we come up with. But yeah, this is how much advanced we design and create flyers and design things. Photo shoots. We're doing a lot of photo shoots right now. Yeah, put everything up. We're behind the scenes.
Can we put the song in the background?
He lost the shirt in the process. Photo shoots. Lightning. During lightning storms. For you guys. WHADAFUNK hat. behind the scenes. This camera doesn't pick up this sunset at all.
It looks pretty cool in here.
Yeah, that's what it really looks like.
Actually, looks yeah. How does it look so different?
Crazy setting. Doing photo shoots, video shoots, going to Zoomies, checking out our new What a Funk hats and stickers that just hit stores. By the time you're seeing this video, you can go to zoomies.com or just check out your local Zoomies. What a Funk, we're up in there. And that's all the content that we were making. I was doing a lot of behind the scenes, a lot of editing videos and pictures, and I didn't really film too much of that. But let's paint the floor right now. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna hopefully paint the floor by the next open studios in 2027. We got time. We could do it. So the next episode, What a Funk, do your own thing.